Hey everyone, welcome to day 4 of our DevOps journey. Now, let me ask you, have you ever wondered what exactly does a DevOps engineer do? Or do they just code or do the deployments? Or are they just tool experts? And where do developers end and DevOps begin? Well, today we'll clear all that confusion. We are going to break down each role in DevOps team using a simple real life project. For example, our own Footsy app, like Swiggy or Zomato. Let's go behind the scenes and understand who does what in DevOps world. All right, let's first understand why roles are important in DevOps. So, in the old days, dev and ops teams worked in silos. Dev wrote the code and ops ran the infrastructure. And when something broke, they just blamed each other. But in DevOps, that's not the case. Everyone works as one team in the same delivery pipeline. Yes, people still have different roles, but now they collaborate, and that's what makes things smoother. So, let's meet each role not in a theory, but through a real world example. Now imagine we are building Footsy, a food delivery application. Here is how DevOps team is structured and what each person does. First is like developer. You should know developers are the ones who bring the application to life. They write code for features like user login, restaurant search, payments, and order tracking. They push the code to GitHub, write unit tests, and work in feature branches. Just like a chef create recipes, developers create the logic. That's their world. Next is build and release engineer or CI engineer. Now, here is where automation begins. This person sets up pipelines using tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, or GitHub Actions. They build the code, run unit tests, package it, and even trigger deployments. Basically, whenever a developer pushes code, this person ensures it is auto tested and packaged, ready for release. Think of them like a robot chef that instantly prepares food once the ingredients arrive. And next is the DevOps engineer. Now, let's talk about you, the DevOps engineer. You'll handle setting up infrastructure like AWS, Azure, or GCP, deploying applications using Ansible, Terraform, and Helm, and monitoring via Prometheus, Grafana, Dynatrace, and scaling and performance tuning. You'll also integrate CI CD tools with cloud infrastructure. In short, you are the one who makes sure everything runs 24/7 without any drama. You love this role if you enjoy bringing everything together. And security engineer, also known as DevSecOps. Now, this role is super important in today's world because security engineers make sure nothing unsafe goes live. They scan images for vulnerabilities, they check for hard coded secrets in pipeline, and they set up firewalls and IAM policies. Basically, they are like your application's bouncer. Nothing shady gets in, right? And next is site reliability engineer. And finally, the SREs or site reliability engineers, once Footsy goes live, these are the folks who make sure the app doesn't crash. It's super fast and user never see any errors. They automate rollbacks, set up alerts, and manage uptimes and logs. Think of them like digital firefighters, ready to act the second something breaks. And now many of you might ask, which role is best for me? Here is a quick cheat sheet based on your background. If you're coming from IT support or infrastructure, start with DevOps engineer. If you're from coding background, try as a developer and CI and DevOps. If you're logical thinker but not into coding, you can explore SRE or security rules. And if you love to monitor alerts and dashboards, again, SRE or observability. And remember, you don't have to know everything on day one. I started from tech support job with zero coding skills, and step by step I moved to DevOps. Now I train others and you can too. Now, here's a bonus for all if you're preparing for interviews. Trust me, there will be questions like who's responsible for rollback, who writes infrastructure as code, who owns alerts in production. These aren't just theory questions, they test if you understand DevOps in real world. And guess what? This video gives you the exact answer. Now that you have got a crystal clear picture of who does what in DevOps team, in tomorrow's video, we'll dive into something even more crucial. like what do company really expect from DevOps engineers? Do they want you to know every single tool in market, and how much coding is expected, and do they prefer cloud or CI/CD or monitoring? I'll break that down based on real job descriptions, interview patterns, and my own journey from 2.3 lakh to 25 lakh. So don't miss day 5, where I'll be explaining on what companies expect from a DevOps engineer. It might just change the way you prepare. Thank you.